Scan the apical 4-chamber view and freeze. Drag the progress bar and locate the frame showing the end diastole. Swipe the screen from the left edge to the right to display the measure menu. Tap Simpson. Drag the first cursor to the mitral annulus septal. Drag the second cursor to the mitral annulus lateral and tap to set. Adjust the position of the third cursor to be at the apex. While the tracing is still green, you may adjust the trace contour along the endocardium. Once satisfied, tap outside the trace area to set the measurement. Next, drag the progress bar to locate the frame showing the end systole. Tap Simpson again. Drag the first cursor to the mitral annulus septal. Drag the second cursor to the mitral annulus lateral. Adjust the third cursor at the apex if necessary. Adjust the trace line along the endocardium if necessary. Tap outside of the trace area for the results.